years later, I would see the patient, sometimes referred by Paul, through the emergency room because of crisis. So I want to scare you a little bit, and bring the bad news, tell you why I think the bad news is here, and then encourage you and give you some ideas on how we can solve this. None of us in this room, none of us with Medicare or what we have had as good insurance is secure in today's environment in the healthcare system. So I want to be sure you know that by the time you leave here, you'll know that there are things we can do about this. I won't ask you to raise your hand, but I want everybody to think. Is there somebody in this room who's uninsured? Anyone who has family members or business partners or employees who are uninsured? Or have a hard time paying their premiums? Or maybe have skipped doctor's appointments or skipped medications because they can't afford to pay for those. Well, this is happening all around us every day. And it's because we have a healthcare system that isn't serving our needs. So you may have heard about the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, and coordinated care organizations in Oregon. These are making some steps in the right direction. And if you want to learn more about them, I have handouts at each of your, Joe handed these out, I believe, so you can learn more about them. And then if you want to act locally here, this little postcard size will be a reminder of how you can get involved in bringing about a better healthcare system. The anchorman on CBS, I believe, about 35 years ago, a revered newscaster, Walter Cronkite. He said the American healthcare system is neither healthy nor caring nor a system. He knew that a long time ago. To assess this, and probably the most reliable one is, how do we do it preventing death from illnesses that are treatable? We are number 19 out of 19. Canada is number 6. France is number 1. And so as I was trying to sing the anthem to Canada, I felt more in my heart than ever, because I know what they've done for the people, and I know that we can do the same for our people.